Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable or disable pointer location on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your itel S15 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. Here in settings, scroll down and go to system. And system, scroll down again and find the developer options. And the developer options is not show or turn off. To show or turn on the developer options, you'll have to do is go to about phone. Here in about phone, scroll down and go to build number. And okay guys, to show or turn on the developer options, you'll have to do is tap the build number 7 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You are now a developer. And okay guys, go back and you can see the developer options here in system settings. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to developer options. Here in developer options, scroll down and go to input section. Here in input section, you can see the pointer location. And on the right side of this pointer location, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to enable the pointer location, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. So if this enable or turn on, screen overlay showing current touch data. So okay guys, we can try it. Okay, so if you touch on the screen, you can see the old data of your touch or pointer location. So okay, so that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled the pointer location on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, so we can try it again. So you cannot show the current touch. So that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled or disabled pointer location on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.